All right, so this is a fresh trash find Dirt Devil Power Express. It's actually in really good condition, and I'm pretty sure it is almost brand new because they didn't even install the handle screw at the top here. So every time you grab the handle, it comes out like that. So we're going to install this. Ain't going anywhere now. So here's the model number, UD20120. Trying to find a year, date of manufacture on this. 1 year warranty. Now these machines are meant to meet a price point, and basically you use them, they break, belt goes out even, and you just throw them away. That's what these are for. So it's very likely, and I can already see what's going on here. It's got a bunch of crap inside it. So normally when I get a vacuum like this, it's usually because they clogged it, or the belt broke, or both. And of course, the belt actually feels fine because there's a bunch of tension on it. We're still going to undo everything here and clean everything out. Take the bottom plate off. I think it was just those four. Set all those aside. Yeah, this belt's even in really good condition, so I'm not worried about it. And it looks like we do in fact have a clog. No surprise there. So I'm just undoing the accessory hose. So I'm going to start with cleaning this filter out. And you just pull it out like this. Now we're going to clear out the bigger clog that's inside of this. And first, undo the cord. So I'm going to disconnect this from this end. One more, it looks like. There we go. So easy way to clear one of these. Get a broom handle after you undo this, and then stick it in through as far as it'll go. Handle. Oh, this thing is really clogged. You might actually have to remove this. Usually the broom handle will clear it out. Okay, a little bit better access to it. Just pop that out. So let's see what kind of mischief we can get into now. Yeah, that is in there. So I'm going to try and smash up the hose a little bit, kind of dislodge some of this. I might actually have to use the shop vac to get it all out. Actually, no, got it all out. So let's reinstall it. So you want to make sure that the ridges of the brush chamber are lined up as they should be, just like that. Grab your screws. Just like that. Now we got to put this back on, and that just kind of rolls back on and in place. So now, before we reinstall the dustbin, which I am going to clean out, put that piece back in. Just putting this back together only so everything will stay together, so I can complete the service on this. So move it forward. Now I'm going to clean this brush roll off, and in order to do this, all you have to do is just get an X-Acto knife or a box cutter and just cut all the hair off, and that'll clean it up really well. So that was easy. Before I install this, I'm going to clean that out one more time. Now to replace a belt, I'm going to take this one off just so I can show you guys how to do it. What you're going to do is simply grab your new belt, loop it around the motor shaft just like that. And of course, when you do that, if you wait some time to change it, you want to make sure that motor shaft is nice and clean. This one is, so I'm not worried about it. Grab your brush roll. And you're going to have to line up these square ends. Just like that. And that's it. So now we just reinstall the base plate with the 5 screws. Alright, so now just to clean this out. That was easy. We'll vacuum this out. It's not all that dirty. I think I can actually pull, yeah. So it wants you to clean it out just like that. Oh yeah. Look how dirty that is. That'll get the shop vac treatment for sure. So that comes out like that too. I didn't realize that, of course. Give that a good tap. Put it back together. Let's try it out. All right, just plugged her in. So that's not bad. I'm gonna blow it off with my air compressor, but this video is done. I just showed you guys how to service one of these. It's really not a big deal. It does tell you down here belt style is style 15. So as far as replacing this filter goes, I'm sure Dirt Devil makes these filters available, but really all it is just a piece of felt. So if you wanted to save some money and you got an extra piece of felt or something like that lying around, just cut it to size and throw that in there. I wouldn't even bother spending the money on the OEM filter for one of these. It's just not worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.